Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Unexpected Client Behavior Error Code 268. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open your command prompt in your PC or laptop. To do this, go to your search bar and then type in CMD. Then look for the word that says command prompt. Once you find it, open it. In the command prompt, you are going to input the following commands. First, ipconfig/flush DNS. That's a typo over there. It should be DNS. We go to ipconfig/flush DNS. Then hit enter. Now it should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now close the command prompt. Now go back to the search. In here, you're going to look for control panel. Just go ahead and search that one. Now open control panel. Once you are here, you're going to go to network and internet. This one over here, just click on it. Now go to network and sharing center. Now go to change adapter settings. You can locate this in the left side of the control panel settings. Once you open it, you're going to look for your Wi-Fi provider. This one over here, right click and then press on properties. This one over here. Once you do it, you're going to look for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click on Properties. Make sure you highlight that command. In here in the second option, you're going to click on Use the following DNS server addresses. On the preferred DNS server, type in 4. This time, click on Internet Protocol version 4 once again and then click on Properties. In here, just follow the numbers that I am inputting. It says 4400 for now. Change it to 4444. And then for alternate DNS server, you are going to type in 8888 and then click on OK. In here, close the Wi-Fi properties. Now you're going to go to Ethernet. This time, right-click and then go to Properties once again. Once you tap that, scroll down and then look for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and then click on Properties. You will do this one if ever you are not using internet and you are using your Ethernet cable, not your Wi-Fi rather. And then you do the following. Use the following DNS server addresses. Over at Preferred DNS Server, you are going to input the following values. It's 444. And then for alternate DNS server, go for 8888. Now you're going to click on OK. Remember, you only do this if you're using a LAN cable and not using a Wi-Fi. If you're using a Wi-Fi, do the first step that we made. Then click on Close. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and then subscribe to the channel.